S plus Z to scale object along Z-axis. Shift plus A and add a cylinder to the scene. Click on blue Z positive to change to the top view. Press Shift plus D to duplicate the cylinder solid and G plus Y to move it along Y-axis. Select the second cylinder and scale it to the Z-axis. Now right-click and click on Shade Auto Smooth. Bring the light near the solid. Click on Render and Render Image, and now you can save as image to your computer. A few other videos are coming very soon on Blender problems. You can subscribe to channel if you are enjoying and new to Blender like me. Thanks for watching.